Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Eclipse 12, and that is that you can now center the text in your cart window. I'm in Eclipse version 12, and in order to configure your cart window to output with centered text, all you need to do is use centered text in your document. So for this example, I'm going to be translating using centered lines rather than normal lines or Q&A or speakers. And so this will work with any paragraph type that is set to be centered. In this case, centered is centered by default, so that's the one I'm going to use. If you want to use normal and you want to set it to have centered alignment instead of left alignment, you can do that. For this example, though, I'm just using the given centered paragraph that already exists. Additionally, you have to have a cart window output format. And if you want the centered attribute of your centered paragraphs to take effect on the cart window, you need to have apply edits turned on. If you turn apply edits off, then you can translate with centered text, but it will display with left alignment. Some people prefer this format. And so if you check apply edits, your centered lines will appear centered. If you don't check apply edits, your centered lines will appear left aligned with all of your other text. So this is a matter of preference when you're using this feature, how you want it to apply. For this example, I'm going to turn it on, and I just have cart window selected in all of the default settings. Next, I'm going to start a real-time file. And my cart window immediately pops up and I can start pushing text into it. And in the bottom right-hand corner, I can make the cart window bigger or smaller by clicking and dragging however I'd like. And so as more text falls into the cart window, you see that it will center based on how wide the cart window is. And so I can narrow it or make it wide depending on how I'd like the text to look. And I can drag this to a projector screen or another screen that's attached to my computer as I'd like to do. All of the other regular cart features still work exactly the same way. You're just now able to center text if you'd like to. And again, you can adjust how wide your text is by simply adjusting how wide the cart window is, but it will center within that space that you give it. That way you can get the settings that work best for you and your clients. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, including weekends and holidays. Tech support can be reached at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.